Meaning of gastroenteritis.
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 Gastroenteritis. Gastroenteritis is a medical condition that affects the digestive system, particularly the stomach and intestines. It is characterized by inflammation of the gastrointestinal tract that leads to symptoms such as vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, fever, and dehydration. The most common cause of gastroenteritis is a viral infection, but it can also be caused by bacteria or parasites. The condition is usually self-limiting and resolves within a few days without requiring any specific treatment, although it is important to stay hydrated and rest during this time. In severe cases, medical intervention may be needed to prevent complications.